Hi all. Today I want to discuss about how to load data from AWS S3 to Snowflake. Here I am loading data from AWS S3 to Snowflake. Next one is what are the steps we are going to follow? Let's see. Step 1. Create a storage integration. Here we are creating a storage integration in step 1. In step 2, we are creating a table to load the data. Next one is step 3. Here we are creating a stage. Next one is step 4. Load data from S3 into Snowflake table. By using the copy command, we are loading data from S3 into Snowflake. Step 5. Here we have to check the data is loaded or not. By using select command, we can check the data which is loaded. Next one, let us go to the practical. First of all, I want to show the data which is I want to loaded into the AWS bucket. This is the file which I want to upload into the AWS. Now I'm going to the AWS account. This is the AWS account. Here we want to select S3. By clicking on S3 bucket, it will shows like this. First, if you don't have any bucket, click on bucket to create. I already have a bucket, so I'm not creating any bucket. I'm using the Banu01 bucket. By clicking on this, we get the CSV folder. Here, we have to click on CSV folder. Here it will shows the 4 uploaded files which is already existed. And if you want to upload any file, please click on the upload. Here we have the add files. By using, we can add files which we want. As I already uploaded month.csv file, so I'm not uploading anything. By adding files, we can click on upload. The file will be uploaded into the S3 bucket. Here, I already uploaded month.csv file, so I'm not uploading any file. I am using this month.csv file to load data into Snowflake. Let's go to the Snowflake and we follow these steps. Here we have to take a SQL sheet. By SQL sheet we have to rename it. I am rename as AWS to Snowflake. So here I am selecting training DB and training schema. After selecting this, we have to include these following steps. First step is to create a storage integration. Here we have to use some code to storage integration. Let's see. Here, storage AWS role AN is from, go to the AR Amazon account and click on IAM role. In IAM, we have the roles. Here I created AWS to this role. Click on this and here we get an ARN. Copy this ARN and paste it on Snowflake storage AWS role ARN. We have to paste here. Next one, we have to give the file location. This is the file location which is located in AWS bucket. So we have to create or replace storage integration. Here we created the integration. My S3 integration successfully created. We created successfully integration. Next, step 2. Create a table to load the data. We have to create a table to load the data. Here I am taking this data. So according to that data, I am loading these name string, observation string, numeric integer, numeric to integer. I am taking this data. So now I want to create a data table. Here the table data successfully created. Next, we entered into the third step. Here we have to create the stage. Create or replace the stage. Here we have to give the location of the file which we are loaded in the S3 bucket. Here, please click on these to create. Yes, here the stage is created successfully. So stage area is also created successfully. Next, we have to load the data from S3 into Snowflake. Here, we use the copy into data to load the data from AWS to Snowflake. Next, we have to click select star from data table because why we have to check whether the data is loaded or not. Here we have to load data from S3 into Snowflake. I am executing this. Here the data will be loaded into Snowflake by Snowflake table date, that is the data table, by using the copy into command. Next we have to see whether the data is loaded into data table or not. Let's check by using the select star from data table. Let's enter whether check. Yes, this is the data which we are included. Let's see, this is the data which we are loaded in the S3 bucket. Here the data will be shown in the Snowflake account. That means the data is loaded in the Snowflake account from the AWS. Thank you.